Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Imam Hussain narrates that I made a habit to wake up regularly in the small hours of the night and join my mother in her nightly prayers called tahajjud. I love to listen to my mother's words, the sweet mother's whispers and supplications with Allah in the corner of the room. He observed that his mother prayed for all Muslim men and women. She remembered them by their name and prayed for their prosperity and well-being. O Allah, pardon them their sins and let your grace embrace them in all their dealings. On this particular morning, he decided to ask a question popping up in his mind. When the prayers were over, he asked, "Mother, you pray for all every day, not a word for yourself or anyone in the family." Lady Fatima, blessings and salutations be upon her, brought his son's head on her lap and started fingering his hair, and politely said, "O Hussain, remember one thing, neighbors first and then the house."